Before watching the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified each time we publish a new video. The skin on a daily basis accumulates all kinds of dirt, oil, sebum, and dead cells which can result in blocked pores and hair follicles leading to skin conditions such as blackheads, acne, whiteheads, and rashes, etc. Blackheads are mostly black in color with tiny raised bumps on the skin surface. Blackheads are caused as a result of oil and sebum blocking the pores on your skin. This usually occurs when the skin is not cleaned properly and the oil on the skin settles in the pores for a long time, which turns black over time after being exposed to oxygen from the air, thereby forming blackheads. Blackheads are mostly found on the face, nose, cheeks, forehead as well as the chin area, but they can also appear on other parts of the body. Some of the other causes of blackheads include hormonal changes, smoking, alcohol, stress, cosmetics, and inheritance, etc. In this video, you are going to learn a simple home remedy to help you get rid of blackheads easily using available ingredients you can find at home. In order to prepare this home remedy, you are going to need half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Of course, all the ingredients mentioned here are natural exfoliators that have the ability to eliminate dead skin cells. Mix the ingredients together in a bowl and stir properly until it turns into a paste. Scrub the area of your skin that is affected with blackheads using warm water and dry it properly, after which you are to rub the paste made from the ingredients on the area deeply. Leave the paste on the surface of the blackheads for a few hours and wash off with warm water. You can do this at night before bedtime so that you can leave the paste on the blackheads the next morning before washing it off, which will be more effective. Repeat this 2 or 3 times in a week and you will notice that before the second week is over your blackheads are gone for good. To avoid getting blackheads, make sure to keep your skin clean at all times by washing properly. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it on your social media platforms for others to benefit. For more helpful videos and tips, subscribe to the channel.